औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह सदरी वयस्सिर अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to apply concatenate function using Microsoft Excel. We will learn two ways to apply concatenate function. Basically, concatenate is used to join two strings. For example, in this case, I am going to use the first name and the last name, and then we will get the full name. Okay, this is let's learn quickly. Okay, first of all, we need to write write a concatenate function over here. So first we need to put is equal to sign, and then we will write concatenate will appear at the bottom over here. Double click here. So now I want to select this cell. This is word G8. So I just click here and its address will appear over here. So now he's asking add more parameters. So I need a separator over here because it's a comma over here. So I will add comma. Now after that I will click on the next cell. Look here, it's highlighted over here. This cell is highlighted. So now click here. Done. Now close the bracket. How you will close the bracket? Shift 0 from your keyboard. Let me show you your keyboard. As I click on the bottom left corner, I just written here key, and you can see over here on screen keyboard will appear. Click on that, and this is my on screen keyboard. So I will use this to teach you how to add this round bracket. I'm talking about these two buttons. Shift plus this button will add a round bracket over here. First of all, I need to highlight this cell selected. Now I want to press and hold shift key button and one time 0 or this button, this key, press this one. Done. And now you need to press enter button. Can you see over here Ahmed is written over here, Ahmed Ali. The first name is Ahmed, the second name is Ali. But now I will use autofill handle to apply the same formula to the rest of the cells. So I will go down till here, Anika Atik. Done. Now let me increase the width like that. Okay, now next thing is, can you see there's no gap between the first name and the last name. So what we need to do, the first thing is, okay, I will just click here. When I click over here in the formula bar, you will see the formula will appear over here. So I will just do, after this comma, I just bring my cursor over here. Done. Okay, now how to add space. We are talking about how to add space over here. So it's very easy. When I will bring my mouse pointer over here in the formula bar, when you click the cell, it will appear here. Just click over here and then do what? Shift, press shift and hold button key, and 2 times this double quotation mark will appear over here. Done. Now add this comma is a separator which will separate these two cells data. So within these brackets, okay, I will give one space added.
Okay, here we are. After clicking here,
Done. Okay, now give one space over here. Excellent. So now I need to press enter button. Can you see a space added between the first name and the last name? Now drag and drop to the rest of the cells.
how to apply two-step verification is very easy. Click here on this top right corner, click on account on this arrow triangle, click here.
Bring your mouse pointer at the bottom right corner and it will turn into plus sign. Click, hold and drag to the rest of the cells, and it will automatically add one space over here. This is one way to add concatenate function. So another way is, so let me erase all, and now I want to apply this blank space to the rest of the cells. Done. Okay, now another way is in the home tab. Can you see over in the editing group? Click here on the drop down list, click here and click on more functions, and then here click on this drop down category. So I need to select all, and after that keep pressing C. We need to find concatenate, so keep pressing C until you will find the concatenate function will appear. Can you see over here concatenate function appear over here? So now click on OK.
method is my
and
cell
this
number.
screen will appear. This is the second way to apply concatenate function. It's costing about,
Your account over here.
now
Let me turn off. First
it's
of all, turn
asking
off. Let me
about
turn off.
text 1 and text 2. So what I will do, I will select this one, text 1,
Okay, this will
G8,
turn off
and
to
its name will appear over here.
turn off.
Now select the text 2. So if I will use text 2 directly over here, it will give me the same Ahmed Ali without a space. There is no space between these two words. So what I will do, I will just erase this and I will just give us space over here.
Help and protect
Press
your
space
software is
bar
asking.
so
Apply
that
this
you
by this
can
interface.
use what.
Now let
This is a space bar, give one space. Just first click here and then give one space over here.
Authentication app
Space added. Just make sure you have given one space.
SMS.
Okay, then after that select the text number 3. Now I'm going to select the last name over here. So you can see over here the output as well. Ahmed space Ali, Ahmed space Ali. This is our final outcome. Click on OK. Now I want to apply this autofill handle again to copy the formula to the rest of the cells. Just click here, bring your mouse pointer at the bottom right corner of this cell, click, hold and drag. That's it.
Okay, let
That's how you can apply concatenate function using two ways. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel so that you can get the latest update. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.